Hello students, good morning. This is Shell Public School. Today this video for class 10th and I am teaching you information technology level 2. Level 1 we will discuss in class 9th. Okay. So all the students, good morning again. And we will discuss today on a new book NVQF level 2. Level 1 we will discuss previously. This is class 10th. And NVQF level 2 is provided for building skills and building feature by NCERT. All the contents, all the curriculum is designed for building skills also with your some safety and security with your future. All the skills are compulsory to knowing yourself, knowing about all the students, and we will discuss in it. In this session we will discuss about the curriculum of 2020 syllabus of 2020-21. Also I am providing you on school web application, that is Shell Public School. You can download the syllabus from the school web application from download center in the application. So today we will discuss about the terms first and second. Total number of 7 chapters, 7 units are there. Same as it is in class 9, you can teach functional English. In class 9th, we will discuss about functional English basic. And this class 10th, we will discuss about functional English intermediate. Some difference between both the chapters we will discuss in this class. Ms. Gayatri madam teach you unit first functional English basic in class 9. I will teach you functional English intermediate in class 10th. Unit 2nd web application, that is basic. Unit 3 word processing, basic you have discussed in class 9 and intermediate we will discuss in class 10th. All the chapters are intermediate, we will discuss in class 9. There is chapter 4 spreadsheet, chapter 5 unit digital presentation, chapter 6 email messaging. All are repeated chapters in class 10th. So first you can confirm it, your knowledge in class 9th are all around basic is confirmed and understood, understandable by you. After that we will discuss in some intermediate chapters. Unit 7, that is database development basic, that is new chapter in class 10th. We will discuss about database development, database softwares. All those are in this chapter. All are practical chapters. First second is a theory chapters we will discuss in a recorded session and daily provided to you. Daily I am sending you on your WhatsApp number. So please all the students confirm it, your WhatsApp number to school contact number, that is 62652533364. You can send it your name, your class name, your father name to this WhatsApp number to confirm it. For the recorded session daily I am providing you, I am sending in your WhatsApp number. Anytime, anywhere, you can learn with this recorded session with all the subjects. So let's start with these chapters. Total number of chapters is 7, unit 1 to 7. All the intermediate chapters are repeated chapters with from after the class 9th and class 10. You all are very well know 50 marks of theory and 50 marks of practicals are there in the examination of CBSE, and we will discuss about all the 50% and 50% theory and practical in these chapters. So functional English intermediate, like that, number of 22 sessions are there in functional English. In functional English we will discuss about ordering food at the restaurant, making resolutions, what is resolutions, taking about change, planning an outing, narrating a story, design a story, script a story, describing a known place, giving directions, describing an event, recounting an experience, finding a place to stay there, saying no or yes, describing a loss to them, appreciating someone, attending a phone call, giving an instruction, registering a complaint, calling up to find about a job vacancy, writing a resume, writing a covering letter also, facing an interview, taking a telephonic interview, accepting a job offer. Very nice topics are there, and number 1 to number 2 22 sessions are very important to you. After that, after that, after 20 number of 20 to 22 sessions we will complete. After that we will discuss on next chapter, that is word processing intermediate. Okay, so in this word web application basic and word processing intermediate we will discuss we will revise previous chapter revision, and after that we will start the web application, word processing, spreadsheet, digital presentation, email messaging and database development. Before we will start unit 1 to 7, we will discuss a session on previous class we will discuss. Okay, so I am requesting you, all the students in class 10th, stay at no disturbing area, stay with your mobile phone with a notebook or a pen paper. Daily schedule and daily plan your routine to see with online video, to with the smartphone or mobile phone or laptop you are using. See the recorded session 1 or 2 times, preparing a notes, type the notes in your notebook, and regularly we will discuss about some queries and some questions at single time and a scheduled time on a WhatsApp group. We can create a WhatsApp group for class 10th, we can create a WhatsApp group for class 9th. Every time a schedule with 30 or 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour for querying and questions in this group. Okay, so let's start with the recorded session. Today is introducing a chapter, introducing your syllabus, and after this tomorrow I am sending you recorded session of teaching and learning process. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you all of you.